Hi guys. So now we are going to see something more interesting about Facebook. That is nothing but the Facebook ad account. Like how do you set up a Facebook ad account, right? So let's go directly into the topic. So I'm just going to directly log in into my Facebook account. Login. So when I log in, I'll be able to see the news feed, which I already told you, which is the home page. Like in a website, we have a home page, right? So like in Facebook, we have a home page that we call it as news feed, right? So now we are just going to click pages. I'm just going to set up the ad account for Marketech Academy. So I just selected that page. So now we have been logged in directly into our page. I'm just going to, there is something called Ad Center here. So you'll be able to see this, right? And now I'm just going to click all ads over here. So when you do this, you'll be able to see something called show more details in ad manager. So I'm just going to click on this link. So for this you need to for this you need to log in via your page, right? So you can just show later. Since this is your since this is a new Facebook account, usually it will ask, Facebook will ask you to accept a lot of policies. You just have to click accept. Thanks for accepting our non-discrimination policy, and you can just click done. So now you are into your Facebook ad account, right? So we are in, and now we need to do basic settings in this particular ad account. So now we are inside something called facebook.com/ad manager, right? So when I click this, you'll be able to, when I click this menu, you'll be able to see a lot of details like ad manager, billing, audience, business setting, event manager, commerce, e-commerce manager, and other things like that. So now we are going to do the basic settings for our ad account, right? So we are directly going to add the billing. So I'm just going to go back. There is some issue. I'm just going to Marketech Academy. I'm just going directly to the page, and from there I'm just going to Ad Center, All Ads, Ad Manager. So now I'm just going to click billing. So you get something, a kind of dashboard like this, right? So what we can do is, like, we can just click payment settings. Like in Google Ads, we have something called payment limit, right? So we have the option to set up a limit, like in this particular ad account, I just wanted to spend only 5,000, right, in per month, or like 10,000 per month. So beyond that, the campaign will stop. You can set a limit. So this option is also available in Google as well. So add payment method. So you can add your, first you have to enter details, something like India, what is the currency that you are going to add, and what will be your time. You just click save, and then now you can add your UPIs. Suppose if you're going to do the transaction via Google Pay, you can add that. And suppose if you're going to do from net banking, you can add that. Okay. And you can, if you're, suppose if it is a debit or credit card, you can just click that option and just click next. So when you do that, we cannot complete your request, not a problem. So maybe since we are running the ads for the first time, we created the ad account today, and we are doing the uh, ad account setup also today. So that is why it is showing us like that. So that is totally fine. So we can add the tax info. Tax info is nothing but the business name. So I'm just going to give it as Marketing Academy. So this is just only for verification purpose. You need not worry about that. You can just add the details like country. Okay, country can be, I'm just going to put Tamil Nadu, and I'm just going to put a pin and just click save. So you must agree. I'm just agreeing to all the terms and conditions that is given by Facebook. If you don't agree, you won't be able to run the ad, right? So now the account setup is done. So now all the only pending thing is like I have to just add the payment method. I can just create add next. You can keep going, and once you do that, you will have to just enter your UPI, Google Pay UPI. So once you do that, you will be able to. Once you add the payment, it will automatically reflect over here, and then you can start running campaigns using this particular payment. Suppose if you have not added your payment, and if you ask me, can I run the payment without adding the funds? Definitely no. So only after you add the payment, you'll be able to run the campaign. So that is one of the most important step. Okay. So in our next lesson, we have something to cover about Facebook business account. So see you in the next class.